So the next time I went to the loft and met Srila Prabhupada, I was bringing my tambura and playing, sitting right next to him, and he asked me to do that. I was trying to also figure out what raga or what chord or what scale he was singing in, and it was also always very mysterious because it wasn't what I thought it was, but I just went along with it anyway and played my instrument. And it was a very informal kind of meeting. And that day, he announced that on the following Sunday, that was a Friday, I think, that I went there, he said, we're going to have a love feast. And I thought, love feast? Where does he get these words like love and feast? Because those are kind of like hippie words, love, feast. But he went ahead and had it anyway. And I think one of the ladies that he knew did some of the cooking, and it was a very sweet affair. And that was his announcement. That was his announcement about the love feast. And then I went to the love feast to see what it was all about. And instead of being the formal guru, he was like the gracious host. And he was passing out food to people out of sort of like Indian pots, I guess they were, and putting on their plates and asking them, forcing them almost to take more, and more. And people just saw him in a completely different way, and they really loved all the food. It was very different. I remember there was a preparation made with chickpeas and some kind of sauce, and I had never tasted anything like it before. And actually, all the food was very different and was very good. But that was another side of Srila Prabhupada that he never showed before. He was walking around to each person, putting more and more food on their plates and asking them to take more and more and more. That was the love feast on a Sunday afternoon at the Bowery. Hare Krishna.